Okay, right. Now don't scare me, don't start mentioning the diagram. Now, interpreting pie charts, we're looking at percentage pie charts now. In 1994, 120 students were surveyed on how they got to college. Calculate the number of students who went by each form of transport. So, first of all, how much percent went by cycling?
25.
So 25% of 120 students went by bicycle. Now, to work out 25%, we have to work out 1/4 of 120, because 25% is a quarter.
30.
So that will give us
30.
Okay, we are recording this in the moment, Mr. Bilal. So can you please just calm yourself down? So 30 students went by bicycle. Okay, next.
Car.
And a car, we have 35% of 120 students went by car. Now, to work out 35%, what we need to do is we need to work out another 10% on top of 25. Is that right?
Yeah.
So let's work out 10%. First of all, 10% of 120 is 12. And what was 25% we just worked out earlier? 25% was what?
A quarter.
Was 30.
Oh, 30. And that's 40.
So that will give you all together 10 at 25 is 35%. 12 at 30 will give us
42.
42. So 42 students went by car. Okay, let's do walking next. Okay, as we said, we're going to work out the ones that went walking. So how much is that? It was 15%. So 15% of
120.
Now we just worked out earlier what 10% was. We can just use that again. 10% was 12, 1/10. We're going to work out 5%, which is half of 10%, which is half of 12 is 6.
6.
So 10 and 5 is 15, and 12 and 6 is
18.
So 18 students went by walking to school or college. Okay, now to work out for the bus, we need to work out what percentage is left over. So first of all,
Out of 100.
so we got 15% over here, and 25 and 35. So we got 15 add 25 add 35.
Minus 100.
Hang on a second. So that'll give you 15 and 35, 50, 75. So altogether, how much percent have we got already covered?
75%.
5%. So if you want to work at the bus percentage, we started with the full pie chart, which is 100, minus the 75 that's been covered, that leaves you a remainder of
25%.
So we have to work out now 25% of the 120, which is the same for cycling, which we can just copy across, which is 30 people went by,
People bust it.
30 students went by bus. Okay, that's the end of that particular question.